Order dated March 28, 2022, and I quote, "In exercise of the powers vested in me under Article 164(1) of the Constitution of India, I, P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Governor of Goa, hereby appoint the following as ministers on the advice of the Chief Minister. 1. Shri Vishwajit P. Rane. 2. Shri Movin Gudino. 3. Shri Ravi Nayak. 4. Shri Nilesh Kabral. 5. Shri Subhash Shirodkar. 6. Shri Rohan Khonte. 7. Shri Govind Gaude. 8. Shri Atanasio Monserrat. They will assume office from the date they are administered oath of office and secrecy." Unquote. I request Honorable Governor to administer the oath of office